What up, gang? Hey, I wanted to give you a date on the 2024 RSV4 1100 factory. These are all the parts that came off the bike last night. It's a pretty heavy set here. We're talking close to about 17 pounds worth of parts that came off last night. And I'll show you exactly where we're at in this particular build so far. But here, you guys already seen the stock video and also the stock ride that we did. Well, a couple of things happened. Obviously, we got the huge fat bull donkey off the back here. We're able to go ahead and put on our new Rage tail tidy. I think it turned out sexy as hell. We also took up all of the rear pegs for the rear passenger pegs. Those are gone, okay? We were also able to install, obviously, the stomp grip tank grips. We had to go clear on these ones here, obviously, because the Aprilia logo goes right onto the tank, so I didn't want to cover them up with black actual grips, so we went clear on this one here. We'll see how long these last. I know that a lot of people complain that stomp grips turn yellow. I haven't experienced that just yet, but then again, I don't hold on to bikes that long either. Okay, so which is crazy. We're still waiting basically on the levers to come in for the actual bike, so we'll be getting that there. We did take off the regular bug ears on the RSV4, and we were able to install the Rizomas. You guys can see right here the Rizoma mirrors. These are a great addition to the actual bike. And last but not least, we installed the SC Project CRT exhaust system on here. I'm going to tell you right now, guys, I'm going to start this up here in just a second. It's loud, and it's way lighter, almost 5.5 pounds lighter than the previous exhaust. And we also too are waiting on the Brentunes. The Brentunes actually are coming today. It's so nice of the guys over at BT Moto to send them out so quickly. I ordered them, I think, on Wednesday, and they are arriving here today on Friday. So those guys, shout out to freaking BT Moto for just providing excellent customer service. So currently right now, the bike is 100% stock. I put a DESI 83 on this one here just to keep the check engine light off, because we did remove the servo last night. And again, that servo was quite large and heavy. It's really funny because the servos on an RSV are on this side right here. So we had to take this whole fuselage off to get to it, obviously. And we were able to do that, but the DESI's sitting on that side there, so it won't trip a check engine light until we flash the bike. But overall, guys, I really am impressed with the look of the bike. It is a monster. I mean, I cannot wait to take it out, obviously, with this pre-flash ride, post parts replacement on here. But I'm going to tell you, it's a very staunch look. I really do like it a lot. I can't wait to get this bike out on the track too. But I'll tell you, let's go ahead and just do this real quickly. I want to go to cold start again. This is a short video, guys, just to give you an update on what we're looking at. But I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. You guys can see I'm already in race mode on this particular bike here. So you can see it's already in race mode, but I'm gonna go ahead and do just a cold start here so you guys can kind of hear what this sounds like. Again, this is an SC Project CRT full exhaust. Here we go.